Hello guys, this is season 2 of learning Arduino without physical components, where we are now going to use a different uh, software called Wokwi. So if you followed along in season 1, you notice that we actually recorded a total of 12 episodes where we are using Tinkercad software which is absolutely, by the way, for beginners and make you learn some simple circuits uh, like LEDs, buttons, buzzers, and sensors. Now in season 2, we are stepping up a level. This season is all about learning Arduino without physical components using a powerful online tool that I have already talked about. That is Wokwi. WOKWI. Wokwi gives us access to advanced components, real-time simulation, and even IoT-based IoT boards, like ESP32. That means we can build projects that are closer to real life without worrying about burning them or even buying extra parts. So, in season 1, if we were learning about how to work in electronics, now in this season 2, we are now going to learn about how to run. That is a simple joke that we're going to use throughout this season. So we're gonna start, and I will start by showing you how to sign up. So this is our interface. Our Google search engine. The first thing you do, okay, I'll start by, if you are on a Google or Chrome account, you search Wokwi. Mi nimesearch mara kadhaa, so it's just available on my search. This one is the one you click on Wokwi. Then you click on the first link for signing up. I click on the first link. This is the interface. Mi yangu imefika hapa juu. I had already an account, but if you don't have an account, utakuja hapa, itakuwa hapa. So here it will tell you either to sign in or sign up if you don't have an account. But I saved my login, so I don't have to sign in I don't have to sign in. I just go directly. So this is the interface of Wokwi. This is how it looks like. We have the boards that we're going to use throughout this season. The first microcontroller we're going to use is Arduino, where you have three types of Arduino here: Arduino Uno, Arduino Mega, and Arduino Nano. They're here. The next microcontroller that we're going to learn about or use in this platform is ESP32, which is here. Another one is STM32, then Pico by Pico. Those are the four major microcontrollers that we're going to use across this season. So we have also other advanced command lines or code editors where you can write the codes instead of using. Okay, Wokwi itself, it has a code editor, a place where you write the code for your project, but also you can do it externally using this type of code editors. We have Wokwi for VS Code, which is inside there, and also we have Wokwi for command line. So you don't have to worry if you are using Linux or MacBook. We also have these Wokwi for JetBrains. So here we have some other languages that you can use. You have Rust or MicroPython, where throughout the learning of Arduino, you can use Rust. You'll use Rust and also MicroPython, mostly in areas of automation when you are creating complex projects that you need to automate them. These are the languages that you use. When you reach down here, we have the universities and organizations that are using Wokwi classroom. Imagine you have 240 universities, major universities using Wokwi, and 76 countries using Wokwi, meaning this software is something big and everybody needs to know. We have some featured IoT projects that are already simulated and running. You just have to go through it, through the schematic part of it, the code, and the components and everything. They're ready. You just click on them and run. I think we'll go through them as we continue learning. We also have some other simulated projects. We have a game like Simon Game, Nanopong, this project. I think we have several projects here that you can go through, check on them as you continue to learn. I'll not take time. We need to go through the interface now. So first of all, we start by the easiest one, going through our interface. Nitaclick Arduino juu mostly tutatumia Arduino in the first project. So in the Arduino, you realize that we have other featured projects that I've talked about. They are here, but we don't want to use them because we are starting. For us, we need to start from scratch. So I'll click Arduino Uno is the microcontroller that we're going to use. Click Arduino Uno. Directly inanipeleka kwa workspace. Under workspace, we have two sections. The first section, this one, is a code editor place where I write the code to simulate my project, and the second place is a workspace to put my components. So when I want to rotate or change the direction of my component, first of all, I click on it to select it, then I just press R to change the direction. So if I want to minimize or reduce the size of my component, I just click here and I zoom out to the size that I need. Yeah, I think that is the best size. You can drag it to the place you want. I have already selected my microcontroller. When I want to add another component, I just come here to the plus here, click the plus. For example, I want an LED. You just click the LED, drag it to the place, any place you want. Also, this LED can change the color by clicking on it, then you can select the color. For example, I want to use the green one. Just click here. I've changed the color. So the Samsung thing, I want to rotate my LED to change the direction. I just click R. I select it first of all, then press R. Yes. So nitaisongesha hapo karibu. Yes. Then I need also to add another component like, for example, I want to add a resistor. I just come here, I click the resistor it. Yeah, resistor ndio hii naibeba. I need to use it around here. So my resistor, I will change the values using here. Just you click on it, then this interface will come here to change the values. So I want to use the up to 20 ohm resistor. So I'll just come here and change the values. Also I change the units. Yes. So nimemalizana na hivyo. The next thing, I think I'll show you now maybe how to write the code or how to wire them. First of all, let me show you how to wire. So I'm using this as an example because this is the easiest project to run on this platform, and we call it a blink LED blink project. So this LED blink project, I have to wire it. Let me expand it first of all, increase the size or um, so nataka nitumie digital pin digital pin 13. So it is an LED. It's either LED is on or off, meaning it is using a digital signal. All of these digital signals and analog signals tumesha zisoma pale introduction and in season 1 using Tinkercad, but also I'll clarify them while we go on. So this signal, I'll use signal pin 13 as my signal. So you connect one part of resistor to pin 13, then that part, the other part, you connect it to the anode. Anode is also known as positive in your language. So ground ground ni negative, inaendanga direct kwa ground. Nishafanya connection yangu, as simple as that. So I need to write my code and test if my code is running. So nishaandika code already. This is my code. The code has two parts. I'm declaring the declaration part and the loop part. So hapa nimedeclare my pin. First of all, I'm using pin 13, digital pin 13 as an output because inafaa iwake. Then here hii taa inafaa iwake 1 second, tena izime 1 second. Sasa inawaka when it is high, inawaka for 1 second, then off pia inazima for 1 second, hivyo hivyo ikiendelea hivyo hivyo. So nikishaandika code yangu, I can now test my project if it is working or not. So I run the simulation to see. So first of all, it will compile. After compiling, you see my project is working now. Yeah, and it's recording the time. Now you realize I can play up with my. I can change the pin number. I can change the delay time. For example, let me pause. I just have to stop it, then change the time for on. Niweke kitu kama 2 seconds tuseme. 2 seconds. Yeah, that is 2 seconds. Then I run again. Nataka kuona delay time venye inakaa. You see? Kuzima inazima kidogo but kuwaka ninawaka 2 seconds. Unaona? So that is it. That was our first project. And let us prepare for episode 2. Welcome. Again.